brother, mwanza njoo kwanza nikupe mkono niseme hongera sana. Congratulations. Apologies, we came late. As you're aware, the Senate is in Busia for Senate Mashinani, and we had a few meetings before we could come. I want to congratulate you for now becoming the official candidate for the party called ODM. And this is a very large family, my brother. It is a very large family. From the coast, you have seen the leadership from the coast. The leaders from Turkana will be here to campaign for you. It is a big, big family. And you belong to all of us now. You are the candidate for the movement called ODM. And ukitaka majenzi unaniambia naleta babu aongee nao lugha yao, naleta babu aongee nao lugha yao, si ndio? Mpaka hii kiti tuweze kukipata. So I am very proud of you for the steps you have taken officially of the party called ODM, and that is why all of us are here. Congratulations, and the journey ahead is still long, but we will work with you. Honorable Ledama is here, and then okay, we can start with the senator for. Oh, yes. Oh, you are not spoken. Sawa, ndio baya kuja kama kuchelewa.
First and foremost, I want to take the opportunity niweze kumpatia hongera mambo tumekamilisha. We will be coming here, probably same officers will be giving you, God willing, a certificate that you're no longer a candidate, you are now the winner and waiting to be sworn in. Where at the aisles of Parliament, ODM legislators will walk you down there. I want to re-emphasize the party, the people of Kasipul chose Boyd, the party raised Boyd. We are here to be able to support him from what he was once a nominee. Now he's a candidate, and God willing, he will be a member of Parliament elect, and thereafter to be a full-fledged member of Parliament. I've stated this before. Hii chama kutaka kujua ya kwa hii chama ni chama ya Kenya mzima. Angalia wale wenzetu, utaona watu ni wa tribal caucus. But here, look at us. We are the face of the whole of Kenya. Tumeweza kufika hapa. The farthest part, tukafika hapa to be able to support our own. When you enter into ODM, you don't enter into just a normal political party with selfish gains. You enter into a system that is going to be there for each other, and we will be there for each other through thick and thin. So you have our support. Tutakuja hapa kuendelea na campaign.
Just one message for young people of Kasipul. Mimi kama jinsi wa Senate, I'm the youngest in the Senate now. Na Migori believe in me. Wanipatia chance nikarepresent watu wa Migori katika Senate. Naambia watu wa Kasipul, huyu ni kijana. Vijana mlikuwa mkicomplain, atakuwa kwa table. ODM through our leadership, akina Gladys Wanga, akina Sifuna, akina Ledama, baba mwenyewe ametupatia kijana, na waomba watu wa Kasipul tukidio huyu kijana kwa the youngest Gen Z in the National Assembly, alipatia mkono. Mimi kama mkrateko niko hapa ninapatia support. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. As the woman representative of Homa Bay County, Boyd, you are strong, you have knocked doors.